We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2016 Harley-Davidson Softail Deluxe in vivid black. I love the spoked rims on these bikes. The lacing is beautiful. This bike is also equipped with ABS. Nice tall handlebars. We also have a heel toe shifter. This has the 103 cubic inch engine. We have a passenger seat with a mini luggage rack. And I really like the tombstone taillight. Beautiful Vance & Hines exhaust that we'll listen to in a second. And an aftermarket intake. Arlen-esque grips as well. We run in a fog, so we are keyless, and miles are 9,201. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.